it's okay when you buy one package, they give you the money back. Paper for cigarettes.
Cigarette rolling paper.
Yeah, when you have, then it's good. Yeah, nice. Sounds good.
He's gonna let you use some.
We are now on the boat ramp. On the you drive to the port, and then on the end you go right. There's a gate. You cannot go on the jetty, and there goes right to the boat ramp.
So now that we are here, he's actually gonna go fishing, and we're gonna see what's up. This is a really nice sunset here in Broome. It's my last day here in Broome as well. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. Hopefully. I just want to catch the sunset in this beautiful ancient kind of really ancient rock formation on this beach. Apparently there are heaps of dinosaur fossils and dinosaur footprints that are buried around here. I mean, it's Australia after all. A lot of it is just like broken off from the rest of the world after Pangea. But there's that sunset and it's so beautiful.